All right, so governments around the world have been urging people to stay home, and if you're not at home, to maintain social distance. And of course, this is because of COVID-19. There's been an increase in loneliness. We're gonna accept that for some persons. So while social distancing is important for preventing the spread of the virus, it could exacerbate problems for persons who live alone. And this morning, we're going to be talking about how we're going to fix that.
For persons who live alone?
Yes. All people when live alone lonely. Loneliness is not just about being by yourself, You can be in a room full of people and still feel lonely.
Correct. Good point, Harris.
You
can be in a relationship living with somebody and it's like you're in there by yourself.
Yeah.
But this article from patient.info gives some information on how to stay unlonely during COVID. And the first one is, I think, what a lot of folks are doing is to stay in virtual contact. You may not be able to physically meet up with friends right now, but God bless this for those of us who have it. From a banger to the smartphone, you can send a text, you can make a call, you can receive a call. It was a joy on the weekend to link up with my family FaceTime. So one person link up everybody and all on the phone. And trust
We've been doing Zoom.
It does. It really does something for your spirit when you can connect with everybody.
And I'll tell you something. That's why I say it's the worst of times, but it's going to end up being some of the best of times. Because some family members, Simone, I know your family, mine, everybody's always working, doing this. It's hard to pin everybody down wherever they are across the world. Because everybody home now in COVID, you can say, hey, we can link Saturday at 5 o'clock. Everybody's at home. So now everybody has time to sit and chat and laugh. And it really is. The problem I have,
what's the problem
I was saying this morning, is that you have some people who they don't like to be alone because them like contention. Them is the people at work that always have to argue with somebody, or they're at home, them have to pick a fight.
Don't call those people.
No, the problem with those people is, I said it on my Twitter, is that they go seeking arguments. Even from people they do not know.
This is also a very interesting. So people also use social media to stay connected, right?
Yes.
But I guess on social...
But why you have to use it for stay bitter?
On social, connection has a different meaning. Because the kind of things I see people saying to people on social media at this time in my life, I'm thinking to myself,
why?
COVID is keeping. Where you find time?
Why? You gonna come out... No, it's crazy. Crazy.
It's bad, actually.
If you're lonely, bring some nice energy to the thing, man. Bring some nice vibes.
It's true.
Connect with people. Meet people you've never met before.
Yeah.
But be nice about it.
It's not time to troll.
No, man. Bring some nice energy, man. If you're not bringing a nice energy, well, y'all know what I do when I don't see nice energy.
I saw you.
I'm telling you.
So there was one gentleman who was messaging you on Twitter, and you blocked him on Twitter, and he...
Not me personally. Not we personally. The telethon that we did on Sunday to raise money for protective gear. I mean, Jamaican artists from all over the world took the time out to. It was just a moving, powerful thing. And to me, anybody who want to turn that into something nasty, I don't have time for them.
Yeah.
So I said, brother, I'm gonna block you. Because I don't have time for this. I'm gonna block him and then him follow me on Instagram. Like Instagram, I've blocked too. So me block him there so too. You know what I mean?
Daily was building a house. Block.
Then this morning, someone just looking at arguments. This is attention seeking. And one said, well, we could say you're attention seeking. I said, no, I can't attention seek on my timeline. If you're over your timeline, I can't come over there come tell you you're seeking attention.
People just have a lot of time. But if you
come on mine to start an argument,
but
that's not a problem.
No.
Block. look.
Yeah, one press of a button. And you may need to do that, especially now during this time, because anything that causes you more anxiety, top of what is going on, you don't need it.
No.
You don't need it.
And catch yourself. If you get up and you go on social media and you have your attitude in your head is, go cuss somebody. Just take a breather.
Yeah.
Take a breather. Say, something is wrong. And then you come.
Yeah.
Plan home-based activities. Clive is joking, right? How long was girl talk? 2 minutes? Plan home-based activities. Structure your day.
Look after yourself.
Look after yourself.
This one is important, the last one.
If you have to structure your day.
You know, also, I want to give a word. There are people who will have other people believe that if you are not home during this time, trying to learn a new skill or achieve a new goal or get your master's or learn to
ambition.
pencil or cook or something is wrong with you. Please don't listen to anybody or let anybody define what this time ought to be for you. Some people are barely holding it together, and that is their journey at this point in time. Please don't belittle anybody who is not, taking this time to self-actualize or learn a new skill or make income online. Or there are some people who will want to do that, and that's good. There are some people who are just trying to get through this period.
There are some people who want to catch up on sleep.
There are some people who want to rest.
Sleep.
That's okay too.
And Simone said something. So this says reach out for help. So this is why I'm saying when you get on the social media, try and make it as positive and as because there are people out there who really don't have anybody, and they come to it to try to get help, to try to get something positive. So at this time, COVID time, out of COVID, we nerves can manage it, but in a COVID time, we could have been nice.
Out of COVID, I don't think our nerves really want to manage it either. But I'm just saying, you don't have to be vile and nasty and bitter during this time.
No.
Try and see if you can make the other side of you kind of show up a little more.
Yeah.
And then post-COVID, you can go back to living under the bridge.
If not come on my time.
Grumpy old troll, who lives under the Morning Unique page. Hope you have a blessed day today. All right, that's it for Girl Talk, everyone. Take care.
Soon come.